Hey guys, here's our writing lesson for the week of May 10th through May 17th. So last week you used writing tools, including feedback and a checklist to help improve your writing. I am really proud of your hard work. I absolutely love reading your guys' writing. Today I want to teach you how we can reflect on our third grade memories and write an entry about it. So the first thing we need to do is brainstorm memories from third grade. We did so many fun things this year, and we need to find a way to organize our ideas. So I'm going to use the brainstorming strategy of important people in important places. We reviewed this strategy at the very beginning of our online learning, so I'm going to use it again towards the end so I can remind you of ways that we can get started on our writing. You don't have to use this same strategy to brainstorm. I'm going to use this as a demonstration, but you can use whatever strategy you would like to brainstorm ideas from third grade. So I'm going to get my writer's notebook, and I'm going to brainstorm important people in important places. So let's start with important people. So I'm going to think about important people that I might have created memories with during third grade. So we have Mr. Mance. Maybe we came in contact with Mr. Mance, or we had a special activity that we did with him. You could think about specific teachers. It could be a co-cur teacher. It could be one of your classroom teachers that you might have created a memory with, or an activity that you did. You can also think about specific classmates. It could be people in our homeroom class. It could be friends in a different third grade teacher's class that you might have had a memory with during third grade. Now we can also think about important places where we might have created a memory. So we went to the natatorium for our water field trip. You can think about activities that you did at my classroom this year, including maybe a morning meeting that you enjoyed, maybe you loved one of our lessons, or a reading and writing celebration. You can think about fun activities that you did in Mrs. Parker's classroom. You did some really fun math and science experiments this year that you might want to write about. We also went and saw the Snow Queen performance during our theater field trip. There's just a few ideas and suggestions of places that you might have created a memory during third grade this year. So now that I brainstormed several ideas and memories from third grade, I'm going to pick one to write about. So for example, I picked an activity that we did in my classroom this year. I decided that I wanted to write about our very first reading and writing celebration. This was one of my highlights, one of my favorite things that we did together in third grade. So when you're picking your one idea, I want you to think about why you liked it so much and why it was one of your favorite parts of third grade. Those are some things that you could include in your writing. So if you want to pause this video, you can read my entry if you would like to. But here is your goal for the week. First, I want you to brainstorm memories from third grade. Then I want you to pick your favorite memory and write about it. You can turn this in through Google Classroom or through email. I cannot wait to read what your guys' favorite memory from third grade was.